To change date and time settings in Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find General Management. Now go to date and time right here, and that way you'll be able to adjust all of the settings, starting with automatic date and time. You can deactivate that option to adjust the date and time manually, but I would recommend to put it on, as disabling it and adjusting time and date manually may cause some network issues. Then there's automatic time zone, and it's the same thing. If you disable it, you'll be able to choose your time zone manually, but it may cause some network issues, so I will just leave it on. Then there's a use 24 hours format, and you can adjust it to your preference. If you want 24 hours clock, make sure it's enabled. If you want 12 hours clock, make sure it's disabled. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.